Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube series. A few months back, I bought this storage container from Aldi. It's a WorkZone brand. And I am going to show you today how similar it is to this one I bought at Home Depot. This is a HDX brand. So, I think the Aldi brand was like $1 cheaper. So let me pause this and I'll be back with you and we're going to start to do a comparison. I do appreciate watching. Here are the two containers side by side. You can see that they're the same size. They stack up on the top of each other and they're the same size. They're the same thickness. And if you notice, the sides are exactly the same. The bottom is exactly the same. This side exactly the same. This one's exactly the same. The only difference that I can see on these, on the outside, are the clasps and the color, of course. So this one has HDX written on the side, on all four of the clasps, or not hinges. Hinges would be on the other side. These are the clasps. But the yellow one, the Aldi brand, has like little dots everywhere. That's the only difference on the outside. On the inside, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, you'll notice that the little stickers, the name is on the same place. On the inside, this falls back all the way. This lid falls back all the way. So that is the same. So I'm going to turn it this way so you can see the difference. Now, from what I see, the only difference in these two are the colors on the inside. These little dividers are removable. Down here, where it has the little nub sticking out to hold the dividers in place, they are exactly the same. The texture on the inside exactly the same. So let's put these back in here. Okay, there we go. Close these back up. Everything is exactly the same except for who the manufacturer made them for. So I am pretty sure that these are made in the exact same factory, which I have no idea who the factory is. It's nowhere written on here. Here's the Home Depot or HDX label. The Aldi brand did not come with one. So these are exactly the same. The only difference is, basically, is the $1 or so price tag. So if you have an Aldi in your area, go pick one of these up if you've seen these at Home Depot. Now, last Christmas, Home Depot had these and they sold out. And they just got them in again a few months ago. So, I like these. I think these would be good for your collection, for your small parts organizing. This one, as you can see, have a bunch of Hot Wheel parts in it. Chassis and wheels and windshield, whatever. Anyway, check them out. You can't go wrong. I do appreciate watching.